What's up, TRT community? Ooh, check out the booty. Let's help each other. I mean like treasure, not like back. Just yesterday, I went to the pharmacy to get my prescription of testosterone cypionate, which I am on, doctor prescribed for low testosterone. Last time I went there, I was able to get one of the 10 milliliter or 2,000 milligram bottles of testosterone. This time they were out of those, so they instead sold me 10 1 milliliter bottles. So how do I save money? This is especially for people who don't have insurance that covers your testosterone. If you do, then great. You're already saving money. But if you don't, you are like me. And this is what I do. And let me say this, I think this only works in the US. America. You can try it if you're living outside of the US, Canada, the UK. I'm fairly sure it's only a US thing though, but just watch anyway, just to make sure. So how this happens is when you're at the pharmacy, you pull up on your phone this company called GoodRx.com. When you do that, you'll see a page like this, okay? This is a discount drug website. Basically, you get coupon codes through this site that you can then tell to your pharmacist, and your pharmacist plugs in that code, and you get a huge discount. You see on that line right there, it's asking you to type in the name of the drug that you're wanting to get discounted. And also guys, I think that this might only work for certain pharmacies as well, but this is what you do. When you start to type in testosterone cypionate, it will go ahead and generate what it thinks that you're saying right there, so you'll click on that. Now, what's also going to be important is how much are you trying to fill? What's your prescription that your doctor has given you to fill? You will then need to hit the edit button based on however much you're trying to buy. And so when you click edit, you can then also click the quantity. So yesterday, for example, I was buying 10 of these 1 milliliter vials. So I had to hit quantity and then 10 vials. And when I did that, that's when I had to then hit apply. And it will then bring up all these coupon codes, and based on where you are, Walgreens, Costco, Winn-Dixie, Kroger Pharmacy, Publix, Walmart, CVS, Target. So again, a lot of these are places in the States. Don't know if maybe they're in Canada as well, maybe elsewhere, but you'll definitely know for sure. You will show them, hey, here's my code, and they'll click that and they'll punch in a certain number. Look how much I got discounted. As you see here, $231 US as compared to 74, and so that's great. So guys, that's how I save money with my testosterone since my insurance does not cover it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you have not checked out my channel, please do so. Click on TRT Community below. I make a lot of videos there to help people just like you, wondering about these things, wanting to know more, and I do this to help people on their journey because I'm on the journey too. I'm a normal guy just like you, and I'm going to give you an honest take on all these things because I think that's important. Let's help each other, right? Take care. God bless. Peace. Don't you love it though, whenever you go to the pharmacy and get your prescription filled? I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm like, yay! Life's gonna be normal again for a few more months.